Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable caller ID on Skype app on an Android device. Well, when you call someone, they can see your number and recognize who is calling, even if they don't have you saved as your contact. It also makes it easier for recipient to call you back if they miss your call, as they have a recognizable number to reference. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, you have to go to the Skype app on your device. Well, after that, click your profile at the top here, and then you can go to the settings menu. Okay, so on this page, select calling option, and lastly, you can activate caller ID here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable caller ID on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.